Hi, I'm Ding Dong, and here are the 5 things I can't live without. So, first one, deodorant and mouthwash. So, yung mouthwash, pwede siyang palitan ng toothpaste and toothbrush kasi I always prioritize my hygiene and ayoko kasing na-smell ako na mabaho ng iba kasi very sensitive ako sa ganun. And syempre, as someone na public figure, even before the PBB, I always value how I project myself. Next one, my skincare essentials. So, syempre, I need to take care of my skin from different kinds of like vitamins and lip balm kasi lagi ako nasa labas. So, yung iba't ibang klase ng tao nakakasalubong ko and gusto ko na very neat yung image ko and I really want to maintain that kind of image to the public. Next, I always have my blacks in me. Polo shirt, t-shirt, shorts, briefs, name it, lagi ako may black kasi I find comfort kapag meron akong black sa lahat ng gala ko or sa lahat ng items na dala ko. Next, of course, wax. Kasi mababa lang yung pain tolerance ko so hindi ako pwede magbunot and aabutin ako ng siyam-siyam. And sabi ni Patrick, kailangan isahang pain na lang which nagwa-wax ako para hindi rin siya mangate kapag tumubo na yung bigote ko. And last but not the least, perfume. I'm a scent collector. I already have 32 scents. And gusto ko na lagi akong mabango kahit matutulog ako. Yeah. So what more pa pag nasa labas ako. So those are the 5 things I can't live without.